commitment to diversity and inclusion unmatched in any UK facility that we've seen. This comes from a constantly nurtured ecosystem of training and trust.
We've got a vast number of schemes here, so we work with a lot of local schools and colleges to promote disability within the workplace and encourage within as well. So we develop a lot of roles internally, internal promotion. We've got a lot of people that have been here a long time, 20, 30, 40 years service. So yeah, we do promote internally, and that works really well for us.
Evtec has always made us feel very welcome. They've put special measures in place to accommodate the students. They've helped us as the trainers to break stuff down and to understand how best to train the students in what to do.
Ultimately, the business model continues because it's successful. Everything you see here happens because it works best for Evtec.
I think people, when they visit us and they walk around, they can actually see the efforts we go into for inclusion, diversity. They can see what's happening here. It's not just words on a presentation. It's what they can see happening, and the results of what we're doing here. And people are happy to work here. We've got a great workforce.
For those that work closely within the student programme and who develop and grow these young people, their pride is impossible to hide.
They're very shy when they first come here, and over the period of time you do notice the difference in them, definitely, and hopefully at the end of it, you know, they're all try and get a job as well, which is the main, you know, objective of it all, I think, is for them to be able to get a job at the end of their experience here with us.
To see them come in here as a shy, unassuming young person with no employability skills, and to walk out of here in some instances with a full-time job, you cannot beat that. Cannot beat that at all.